Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Wisk AI in India step by step. So if you want to access and use Google Wisk AI, this video will help you get started. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about what Wisk AI is. Wisk is an AI image creation tool from Google that allows users to generate and explore creative visual ideas using AI. It is part of Google's latest AI tools and is now available through Flow, where users can access different creative AI features in one place. The tool is designed to make image creation and visual experimentation simple, even for beginners. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now search for Google Wisk AI. Open the official Wisk website from the search results. Once the website opens, click on Get Started with Flow. After that, click on New Project. Now the Flow workspace will open. From here, go to the Tools section. You will see many AI tools available inside Flow. Scroll down and click on Wisk. Once you click on it, Wisk will open inside your project. Here you will see the Wisk interface, where you can access its different features and options. You can explore the available sections, check the tools provided, and get familiar with how the platform works. Wisk is designed to help users work with AI-powered visual ideas in a simple and organized way. Take some time to explore the interface and the options available to understand how the tool is structured. And that's it. This is how you can access and use Wisk AI in India through Google Flow. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.